In today's video, I'll be showing you how to animate titles using transitions. I'll tap on the icon in the corner, select Titles, and choose a preset title I created in my video on how to design video titles. I'll drop it in the main timeline, and as you can see, all we've got is LumaFusion tutorial. I accidentally deleted the box I put around it in the last video, but that's okay because you can combine title elements. Double tap the clip editor to open it. Expand the rectangle out so that it surrounds the existing title. Make sure you actually select the rectangle. Collapse that shape and reorder the elements so that the existing title appears on top of the rectangle, like this. Now, you'll need to select the rectangle once more and change the face color to black so that you can see the entire title. Now I'm going to make some changes to this preset. The first thing I'll do is tap on Edge Color for the rectangle, change it to white, and then I'll bump the edge width all the way up to 100% because I think this looks good. Now I'll select the word LumaFusion and I'll change the font. Tap here to change the font. Tap a font to select it. Your recently used fonts will appear at the top. Notice each font has little arrows. This will give you access to more styles within that font, so that the font now looks like that. When you change the font, you'll also need to move the logo. Just select the logo and move it into position where you think it looks good. And because I changed the font, I can make it a little bigger. Pinch and zoom to do this. Now I've got my new title design. It's time to animate it. Tap on the plus sign from the main toolbar and tap on Transition. Like this. If I play the clip, you'll notice these are just cross-dissolve transitions, which means that the title will fade in and then out again. But we can actually change these transitions. You need to tap on the presets icon. Because you selected a transition, you'll have access to all the available transitions. To change a transition, just tap on it and choose the transition you want to use. I'm going to use Shrink and Grow. It grows at the beginning and shrinks at the end, like that. Now that you have your title animated, you can export it. Tap on the share icon, tap Movie, choose your destination, set the resolution you want, and then tap on the share icon once more. To use your animated titles, grab a photo or piece of video to place in the main video track. I'm going to use a photo. I'll take my photo and place it in the main video track and then grab my exported title and place it in track number 2. I'm going to lengthen the photo so it's the same length as my title. We have a problem. The background is black, not green, so I can't use the chroma key option to remove the black background, but you can use something called blending modes. Consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this, usually pre-recorded but sometimes live, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Blending modes allow you to blend two pieces of video together in certain ways to remove things like black backgrounds. Double tap on the title, expand blending, tap on blending mode, and choose either the blending mode lighten or screen. This will remove the black background so that you can see the image underneath your title. Let's take a look at both blending modes. Tap the arrow in the upper left-hand corner to go back to the main timeline once you've selected a blending mode. If you played the clip, this is what you will see: the image behind the title and the animated title box. Here's the lighten blending mode. And here's the screen blending mode. They both look the same.